Welcome to Projukti Unlimited YouTube channel. We make tech-related videos. Today we are introducing Google Pixel 8 Pro smartphone. The Google Pixel 8 Pro is a flagship smartphone that is officially launched on 4th October 2023. Specifications: 6.7-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass Victor 2 protection, and 120Hz refresh rate with HDR10 Plus support, and 2400 nits peak brightness. Also have always-on display. It's so responsive and immersive. Processor: Google Tensor G3 chipset with Titan MP security coprocessor. Storage: 12GB RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 3.1 storage. The Pixel 8 Pro will also have a triple rear camera system with 50-megapixel main sensor and 64-megapixel ultrawide sensor and 48-megapixel telephoto sensor with 5x optical zoom. The selfie camera will be 11-megapixel ultrawide sensor. The Pixel 8 Pro run on Android 14. Li-ion 5050 mAh non-removable battery with 30-watt wired and 23-watt wireless and reverse wireless charging support. Up to 50% charge in about 30 minutes using Google 30-watt USB Type-C 3.2. Also have stereo speakers and no 3.5mm headphone jack. The Pixel 8 Pro will also have some unique features such as a temperature sensor, an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, NFC, accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity, compass, barometer, thermometer, and VPN by Google One at no extra cost. IP68 dust and water resistant. Colors: obsidian, porcelain, beige. The latest Google Pixel 8 Pro price start from $999 and price in India start 106,999 rupees and price in Bangladesh starts from 132,000 BDT. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more videos.